parents, have you ever wondered when to start teaching your child letters and sounds? Well, before we jump into phonics, there's a very important journey that begins much earlier, and it's more easier than you think.
Teaching pre-phonics means helping children build the foundation skills they need before learning letter sounds. It focuses on listening, speaking, rhythm, and sound awareness, and it's essential for ages 2 to 4. It develops phonological awareness, which is the ability to hear and play with sounds in words. Children notice sounds around them. You can play sound guessing games. For example, what made the sound? Take sound walks. Can you hear birds? Leaves rustling? Tune their ears to rhythm and rhyming words. Play rhyme matching games like what rhymes with frog? What rhymes with cat? Cat. What rhymes with frog? Dog. What rhymes with bed? Red. Teach that words have beats or parts. You can clap syllables. For example, children start noticing and identifying the first sound in words. For example, what sound does sun begin with? S. What sound does ball begin with? B. Children begin blending spoken sounds into words before they see letters. For example, if you ask them, what word is D, O, G? They should answer dog. Some additional teaching tips for pre-phonics include using repetition, keeping activities playful and stress-free, using real object, songs, puppets, and stories, and keeping sessions short, 10 to 15 minutes, and frequent.
So remember, phonics doesn't start with letters. It starts with our ear and our heart.
If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe at Learning is Fun by Joe.